Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to fix a common error of Hyper-V. As you can see, when I'm trying to open my virtual computer, it is show the error messages. This is the main problem, and now I'm going to show you how to fix this solution. Well, you can fix this error various way. I will show you the simplest way to solve. First of all, you have to go to the search option. You have to type the CMD and click the run as an administrator, where you have to copy this command prompt bcd edit space slash act set hypervisor launch type space auto. Copy this command line, paste it simply. I will give it the pin of the comment. Lastly, press the enter. You will see the successfully message will be appeared in your command prompt. After that, you have to go the this PC or simply go through the search place and then go to the properties, and you can see the advanced setting. Probably in your PC it will find difference area left or right side. Click on advanced setting, then click on setting, or you need to go data extension prevention. If you have this selection, then change it fast. Click apply and OK. Now you have to restart your PC. After restarting the PC computer, done, I am going to my hypervisor and open and wait a little bit and click there to connect. However, my virtual PC is starting and those messages is not showing, as you can see, because we actually fixed this issue. Well, now my PC is running sophisticatedly, and thanks for watching, and please the subscribe and hit the like button and press the bell icon.